Alright guys, gonna do a little ride on clip here with the turbo Honda Sierra F50. Just got finished installing the other carburetor setup. Was pretty finicky with that PWK. Seems to be a lot better with the CV style off GY6, but still not tuned in great. But it's not running bad. So take a little ride on clip here. It's not running bad, you know. It's still rich according to this air fuel ratio gauge, but like I said, I'll have the other set of main jets here later today, so I should be able to get that dialed in a little better. But we'll see if I can get this thing to run any better with, you know, the setup that it's got. But you know, I pretty much figured going into this that 50 cc's wasn't going to do much, but I'm pretty sure this whole setup, you know, if I bolt a one of those 125 motors up in there, should all bolt right up to it. So see if I end up going that route. But you know, still runs all right. You know, it's not any slower, so that's always a good thing. But thanks for watching, guys, and stay tuned for more.